In this video, we're going to go over how to load my trend lines onto your chart. Step one, open your MetaTrader 4 data folder. Navigate to the MQL4 scripts folder. Navigate to the installation.algoking channel and copy the algoking_draw_trendlines.ex4 file to the MQL4 scripts folder. Next, go back to your MetaTrader 4 and open the navigation window by pressing Control-N. Navigate down to the scripts folder, right-click and click Refresh. You will then see the algoking_draw_trendline script file. This is the file that will actually load my trend lines onto your chart. Navigate to the community.algoking channel and find the latest algoking_trendlines.txt file. This file contains the trendline definitions that will be drawn onto your chart. Copy this file to your MQL4 files folder. Once copied, navigate back to your MetaTrader 4 and double-click the algoking draw trendline script, and it will draw my trend lines onto your chart. Please note the trend lines will display either buy or sell along with a risk level, conservative or risky. In addition, it'll show the time frame that was used to draw the trend line. So there you have it. Thank you.